First I left old England, sure such yarns as we were told, as how folks in Australia could pick up lumps of gold. So when we got to Melbourne town, we were ready soon to slip and get even with the captain and scuttle from the ship. With me swag upon me shoulder, Black Billy in me hand, I travel the bush of Australia like a true born native man.
Right, hey guys, so I got this target here. It's cancelling right out, pretty much. And we're already down about 6 inches, so see what happens. Just got this gravelly stuff looking here, and hopefully it's a bit of gold, so let's dig it out. Well, it's out of the hole. And that is the right colour, fellas. Oh my goodness. Alright, well, I'm going to go find somewhere to clean this up, and I'll get back to you to get a better look. That's it there. As you can see, it's still a bit dirty. Not as solid as I thought it would be. Almost broke a bit of it off cleaning it, that top bit there. As you can see, it's just hanging on by a strand. Oh boy, I tell you, I am happy to see that. Been a bit dry lately. Just come out of there. Good foot down. Oh, that's good. Alright guys, not sure how to top this video. If I'm going to put this in a video, I don't know, I'll have to show you. It's got a hole in it. How do you clean this stuff? I've got to look into that because I've got quite a bit of a collection of nugs now. So with the gold price so high, I've got to start preparing perhaps. And also, how do you go about finding a person that'll buy from you who's not going to, you know, do a shonky short changer? Well, I'd imagine something a piece like this would be worth, you know, quite a bit more for as a specimen or as a nugget, just due to its shape, its odd shape. Good collector's item. Let me know in the comments, guys, how you wash your nuggets. How do you prepare them to sell them off, pass them on, and perhaps who do you go through for the best bang for your buck? Alright, I might actually go check that puddle in case some gold fell off of it when I washed it. Alright guys, see you in the next one. Righto guys, I got another target here. Deep target. I don't think it'll be as big as the other one, but we'll dig it anyway. Okay. That's all it was. Whew. some sort of copper plate of some description. Actually could be a badge. Huh. You see those hooks on there, so interesting. Wasn't gold though. It was deep. Alright. Let's see if we can find any more. Righto, we got another live one, guys. Not far at all from that other one, another big one. So, hiccups. Let's get to the digging. Nope, just a bit of lead. Sounded nice though. Yeah, well. There's got to be more around here. Yep, see you in the next one. Okay everyone, so I'm back home for now, and I've actually cleaned up that nugget. Just rinsed it off under the tap a bit, and careful not to snap it or bend it, or made sure there wasn't anything else fell off of it. But this is the end result. Beautiful nugget with a little bit of quartz attached to it in places, but mostly just pure gold. And very hollow in places. So that was today's excitement. Very unusual actually to find a nugget like this in the area I was. It's a very alluvial type of area. However, there's at least 3 different sources of gold from this area. This nugget thus proving that theory correct. So we're going to chuck this on the scales. I've already tared it. And we're sitting at 13.157 grams. So not a bad not a bad effort at all today. Sitting at about $1,300 worth of gold. Now you'd probably sell this as a collectible, as a specimen, as a nugget. You wouldn't go and melt it down. Because larger nuggets of this shape is more valuable as a nugget. So thanks for checking out this video, guys, and we'll hopefully keep finding some nuggets. If you haven't seen my other video of the 28 grammer I found, go check that out. Maybe I'll put a link in the card or whatever in the description, or whatever, however it works. Thanks for checking this out.